Hey everyone, Megs here, founder and creator of Get Stoned, and you know what that means? I have a new product to talk to you guys about today. I've been cooking up a new tool for you guys for a while now behind the scenes, and I'm so excited to finally have it for you. Introducing the pick-me-up. You guys, these are tweezers we actually approve of. If you guys know me, you know I'm not a fan of using tweezers with rhinestones, but these are a bit different. So this is a pair of stainless steel twisted tweezers, as I like to call them. This will basically allow you guys to never drop a rhinestone again. Yes, I mean it. Yeah, a little bit of a learning curve because it's actually the opposite of a regular pair of tweezers. You're actually going to put your fingers on the little pads. You're gonna squeeze the base and it'll open up. So when this tool is resting, it is completely locked shut. And when you push, you open it up. Do you know what that means? Once you grab your stone, it's pretty much impossible to drop it. What I also love about this tool is it has a flat side right here that you could line up with the countertop. Squeeze to open, line it up with the countertop, pick up your rhinestone, and once you're applying it, all you're gonna do is squeeze again to release. This will save you from losing any stones. So if you guys can see here, I'm holding the edge of the tool. I'm not squeezing the star by any means. Another cool thing about these tweezers is they can pick up any shape, which is amazing. Even with regular tweezers or a wax tip, it can be a little harder to pick up the shapes. So I have the star in here and I'm just holding the end. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna shake it. This little baby is not falling. It's still in there. Something really cool about this tool is it can be used for so many other things. I also have a Cricut machine, and I love to use this tool to grab the little pieces of my vinyl and pull it up or anything like that because it has a little bit more of a pointed tip. And I can really get into those like vinyl sheets and pull out any cuts I have. Less pressure of trying to squeeze and hold the stone all the way from your table or workspace to your face without dropping it, or your nails, or wherever you're putting your rhinestones. Stainless steel, so you guys can always clean it easily. Sometimes I do get a little bit of glue up here, so I like to just wipe that off and clean the tip. Another really cool thing about it being stainless steel is for my pro MUA friends, you guys can easily sanitize this and you don't have to worry about using new wax on every client. You just have this one tool that you continue to clean and sanitize and you're good. I'm stoked to let you guys know that this is available now so you can get your hands on it ASAP. So try out this new tool and tell me what you think.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.